Are you ready to climb a mountain, bitch? We're actually going to Mt Barney. East Peak. Climb that shit to the very top. That's the dog.
I'm quite optimistic, to be fair.
You're a bit more optimistic.
Don't tell Thomas, but I think it's actually going to be pretty easy. So.
That's what you're saying now? Sasha, what do you know about this hike?
Well, it's in regional Queensland.
Did a bit of research?
Yeah.
It's Mt Barney.
It's
Mt Barney.
B-A-R. Anyway.
I thought we were going on a bit of a stroll.
So you think, how do you think you're going to go at the hike?
You're going to go, yeah.
Well, I've overpacked, which never fares well. I think I will be at the end.
There's been a path the whole way until this point, which is awesome because we don't have to make much decisions on the navigational front, which is not my strong suit, I would have to say. But we're about to do the big rocks and I'm feeling it, feeling good.
I feel like it looks much more steep than it is. If you go slow, it doesn't matter. So
Yeah.
I've already had an injury from a few stumbles.
what have you done?
What?
Oh, I don't put my gloves.
Where?
I had,
What are we looking at?
gloves.
Yeah.
I can't even focus up on it, it's that small!
Nah, I need more.
It's a bit of a sting. I just get my lip gloss from my pocket. Another water bottle down.
So far. It's actually pretty decent.
I just try one.
It's vegetarian.
I don't think it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. I think the scramble bit that we did at the start, I thought that was going to go on for much longer.
Oh wow! How did I miss that?
So we got from the, not the
best night's sleep ever, but hopefully it's around 6:45 at the moment, so we're hopefully going to make the peak of Mt Barney east to get a really great view of the place, so hopefully we make it soon.
Yeah, I feel so accomplished.
Dude, that top was like, it was just silence.
Yeah.
There was no wind.
360.
It was just like.
Yeah, you could just do a complete turn and see like forever. It's something else.
Definitely worth it.
And we took a pebble from the top.
Perfect. Yeah.
I reckon the extra 80 meters, so you think you've reached the peak and you try and convince yourself it's the peak. It's not. And the extra 80 meters is 100% worth it.
Yeah,
Like,
it's really nice.
I can't compare that to anything I've ever seen before.